Okay, this is the Naga, the serpent. And I believe he's here protecting the largest offering bowl, which the monks use. These are all built out of glass bottles. This entire temple is built with over 1 million bottles. Very neat to look at. You can see in the center section there, it's bottle caps. I'm really impressed with this place, with all the work they've put into it, and the monks built this. The monks built the whole entire place. Really cool. Okay, this is the name in Thai, Wat Pa Bong Duan.
And these are plastic for donate.
Oh, okay, plastic to help them. This is just donation site.
It's not for building.
No, it's not for building. So many of the buildings here, actually all the buildings here, are built out of bottles. And after in my mind, I was trying to put together how could these, as an engineer, bottles all be strong enough to construct these entire buildings. But what it is they've built the buildings first, and as Jai told me, it was volunteer help by different contractors and the monks. We didn't find out, it doesn't say anywhere on the internet what year it was built. It's reasonably new though. This is building number 2. I should say it's temple number 2.
Million temple.
Million bottles temple.
Million bottle temple number 2. Because in Seascape they have 2 places.
Yeah, the first one, my understanding is it's used as a burial ground now. Even the stairways going up are built out of bottles. And note the seashells used for the serpents. It's pretty neat. I think I've already said before, this is in Seascape.
And this the lid. The lid.
Bottle caps.
Bottle cap.
Bottle caps.
Bottle
This
caps.
is for you.
แล้วก็จะสีเชล white and yellow
Yeah, they've done an excellent job. Even inside the building, I went inside, and it's also
everything but not
yeah. I was able to fly the drone here. We had permission from them, and they told us to be okay to fly the drone, no problem. The problem with it is, as you can see looking around here, it is covered in trees. This place is very well guarded with trees. And the bell tower here goes right up into the tree. Tuke. Tuke. Sounds like a big one. You see all the bathrooms and everything over there in the distance. Are the buildings also completely done with bottles? And I don't know if those are maybe the monks' homes over there. And the big monk here. It looks like every building they have here on this site is built with bottles. The one negative I can tell you about coming here is the roads are small concrete soils. Fortunately, you don't have to drive very far on them. It's really close to Highway 226. And this is I'm pretty sure the crematorium. I believe that's the smokestack that goes all the way up. And you can see the steel doors on it. Yeah, and it's got a track where it rolls the casket inside. Okay, in rough translation, because Jai can't give me the exact, but it basically means everyone's going to die, and this is the final destination.
Like you can go, you cannot come back.
Yeah.
And you sleep, you cannot wake up.
This is a trip of no return.
And cannot
Okay, we hope you've enjoyed this journey here. We like to travel to the places that generally aren't traveled to, and this wasn't far from home. It's only a 2-hour drive for us, and I really wanted to see it. So me and Jai came here to bring it to you. So if you like our content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel. We appreciate you all. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Out.
We're out.